Hello, my name is Marla Bisis Perez from BIT Electronics 3KG1, and this is my video presentation about our activity, which is titled Push Button. And on this activity, we're gonna learn how to control the blink of an LED by using a push button. And need the Arduino Uno board, the USB A to B cable, a breadboard, 330 ohms resistor, and a 10K resistor, a 5 mm LED, a push button switch, and 6 of this jumper wires. So I'm actually following a diagram which I'm gonna show you. As you can see here, I already plugged in the connections. And I'm just gonna plug in the A to B cable and make sure that everything's in the correct position and plug this into my computer. Actually, you need to be careful to follow the exact diagram because it can damage your Arduino board. As you can see, I am opening the Arduino app again. So you can here. Now, there is actually a code already provided, and I just need to put it in here. After I open the Arduino app, I'm gonna put in the code. We encode. We have to check or verify if it's gonna work. And so there is one. Um, this is the thing you do to make sure that everything in this is as you should do that. Okay, now that he already verified the code that we put in, and let's see it. Then let's see if it works. So I'm pushing the button here. The LED turns on, and the LED in the Arduino turns on too. And I'm taking off my hand, and it's off. So that's how the push button in Arduino works.